Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company and the Grow Group. Want to talk to you today about the NALP Grow Group field trip, Birmingham, Alabama, June 11th and 12th. JT Price and his team at Landscape Workshop are going to put on a great show. I know what you might be thinking. You're too busy to go, and you're too busy to take any of your people, or you're too busy to send any of your people. Au contraire, my friends. Just a couple weeks ago, I went to a marketing conference with Emily from the Grow Group, and when I got ready to leave, I'm like, man, I don't really feel like going. I got so much going on. Within being at this conference for an hour, one of the ideas I heard, I was like, oh my gosh, am I so glad that I came. That's how this stuff is, folks. If you just stay busy in the run all the time, you're never going to get new ideas. I promise you, you come spend a couple days with us at a time of year when it's busy, and you might think you don't have time to learn new ideas or see other things. That's a big mistake in growing your business, folks. Join us June 11th and 12th, Birmingham, Alabama. All the details are attached here. Come see me. Tremendous learning experience. I've got some great stuff to share. The networking with other success-minded contractors is off the charts, and Birmingham is a really cool town. Bring your golf clubs if you're a golfer, because they've got some fantastic golf there. All right, have a great day.